Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can place your footnote information or footnotes in your documents on LibreOffice Writer at the end of your entire document and not at the end of the given page. So let us dive into this. So let me navigate to that example text here, and as you can see I inserted a footnote. You can do this by clicking into this button and you will see the footnote added here, as well as the source here at the bottom in your footer. Now if you'd like to position your footer not at the end of your page but at the end of your document, you will need to access your document settings and footnote settings in particular. To do that, click into tools here, and from that menu what you want to do is navigate to footnote/endnote settings, and here navigate to footnote, and under position switch from end of page to end of document, click into OK, and then you will see that the footnote source will be repositioned from the end of your current page to a new completely new page, which is now the end of your document. So if you keep typing on your pages here, and these footnotes will be moved further back to the last page in this case here. So like a list of footnote sources at the end of I don't know, academic text, for example. So that's how I do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.